Here I have LYF Flame 8 and let me show you how to set up here the screen lock protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then here find and select the settings. So let's choose settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and select here the security. So here I should find security. Choose screen lock and let's decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern, so let's draw the unlock pattern, tap continue and let's draw it again. Choose confirm. Now you have to decide a form of notification. You can select show all notification content, you can hide the sensitive one or don't show notifications at all. Let me show all content, tap done. And that's it. Now you can lock your device by pressing the power key. And to unlock the device, let's press power key again and use your pattern. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.